Hello, today I'll be showing you how to delete your watch history on Disney Plus. So, when you are on the Disney Plus website, you just scroll down until you see continue watching. Then just hover over the TV show or a movie you've been watching and click on this icon. Then if it is a TV show, you have to go to the last season and on the last episode. Then click on the last episode. Then just go like well, eyes ratio. Just go to about fuck. Just skip so there's like 5 seconds left. Then click on it again. Now wait until it plays out. Push. Okay. Now once it has finished, you can go back on the main page, scroll down, and as you can see, there's no longer it is no longer in the watch history. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.